Choora Shareef nearby us. Now that was the Hasti, again coming from Syed clan's family. Now, good 100 years ago, they have served their life. Now, I do remember Choora Shareef, the original Choora Shareef is in Sindh, and this has a link with that. The family comes from them, from the original Choora Shareef. And obviously they travelled, and with Baba Choora Shareef, some aunties and nephew came around as well. We know we got Mazar for them as well. And that's been only discovered. I remember he's our friend now, Haji Nazir from Changapanga, lives in England, Manchester. He actually came with an initial question. Now, his story was, Babaji wakes him up in the middle of night and says, look, my mazar should be made like this. Once it happened second time, he sees him in a dream again, he wakes him up and tells him, look, this is the amount you have in your account, so many pounds and pennies, etc. Now you need to spend this and make my Darbar Shareef. Now then he took it serious, that checked his balance. He says, Babaji is very serious. He knows my account, he knows everything. And then he spoke to his parents. God bless them, his mum and dad, Sufijan Sahab and his walda. I've met them, very decent people, very, very decent people, and lover of Sarkar Choora Shareef. Now, they have a history. It was coming from his grandma. Babaji promised her sometime that, okay, I'll let you build my Mazar Shareef, I'll choose who I want. And when the time comes, we'll tell you. So the time came, Nazir Warsi from Manchester came from England, sat with Sarkar and Sufi Nazir Sahab, and I've heard that he could speak better English than Urdu, and because he was grown up in England and Denmark, etc. Now he was very modern, punkish hairstyle and all that. But when he came here, his life completely changed. Now, again, Babaji told him that this is what I want doing. And then he came to Sarkar that, look, this is the money. I want you to pledge to yourself so you can spend it and make the Darbar Shareef, Choora Shareef, the Darbar Shareef. Sarkar said, okay, Babaji communicated with yourself and told you what to do, that's fine. But I will not make that Darbar Shareef till I don't see him, till I don't communicate with him, till he doesn't communicate with me. Until then, I'm going to hold your deposit, I'm going to hold your money till it's confirmed, till I've met him, till I know who he is, till everything is verified. Then yes, I will make his shrine. Now, then again, Sarkar's meeting with Babaji. Now, then Sarkar verifying in Sindh with the original Choora Shareef, and they remember that in their history, they do say right here from the original.
As you were saying about Choora Shareef Babaji, his name was
Hassan.
Syed Noor Hassan.
Syed Noor Hassan Shah, yes. Now Syed Noor Hassan Shah.
Please continue.
Yeah. And again, verified with the original Choora Shareef. In history, they have written the family was deported from here, or went from here, from Sindh to Punjab, right? But they didn't know where they went. Then our Sarkar obviously told them that Noor Hassan Shah Sahab is here with us. You know, they were very happy to pick that piece of history and put it together. And again, that was verified where he's from, which family and everything. And his belonging from Syed clan. Sarkar made that research. Now, obviously, in his Mazar Shareef, finding where he was born, all the history was mentioned. So that's Sarkar's nature. Wherever he kind of helped to build a shrine, wherever he made the discovery of the Pir Sahib or Faqeer or Sahib Rasul, he verifies it and writes a history on it and leave a marking for others to read and research if they wish.